Hi everyone, welcome. It's Charlie here on Invisible Kid, and this is my special assistant and brother, Alex4231. He is going to be helping me out in a very, very special video today. I'm a huge Judas Priest fan. That's probably given you a clue as to what's in here. So, today, Alex4231 and I will be unboxing the Judas Priest 50 Heavy Metal Years of Music Reflections box set. This is by far the largest box set that I own. It's got 42 CDs in it. Like, that's insane. It's got every single studio album and live album they've ever officially released, plus some rare content, as well as some very cool memorabilia. I am super excited to be opening this up, and as is Alex4231, aren't you?
Yeah, I am.
Awesome. So,
This box has more CDs than I have shoes. And I have lots of shoes.
yes,
I am a shoe addict.
yes, he is. I'll just so yes, I mean, this thing's heavy. I mean, none of the other boxes, like the first ever box that I bought, which is the largest box that I have up until this, was the Metallica S&M2 box set, and it was about half this thickness, maybe a bit more. I mean, this is just insane. So, and
this was over $800, so hopefully you got your money's worth, mate.
Oh yes, I'm quite sure I have gotten my money's worth. So we'll just take this lid off. Absolutely beautiful artwork. There you go.
You could keep it like you could stick it up.
Oh yes, well I mean this is the only place where I can store all these CDs. So oh, we got a little ribbon thing here. So first of all, it's got this little sheet thing, Reflections, 50 Heavy Metal Years of Music. Legacies are made from affirmations, and this metalsphoric vault defines Judas Priest's commitment of defending the faith. Music and time intertwine and create a real journey of what we believe in by becoming locked in our lives. Unhindered adventures combined over 50 trips around the sun truly encompass the passion and solidarity we share with you throughout our Nettle community of fans. Enjoy the ride again and again. It's got one of my absolute favorite band logos of all time. I just love the Judas Priest logo, especially like with the fork at the end. Due to COVID-19, the band's 2020 World Tour had to be put on hold, but now in 2021, they will start to celebrate this milestone with many exciting plans. It's an anniversary Judas Priest are extremely proud of. I mean, that is my absolute favorite certificate when I've gotten one of these things that I've ever read. That is just phenomenal. So the first thing we get is this little folder here, Judas Priest 50 Heavy Metal Years of Music. Wow, these are a lot bigger than I thought they were. So the first thing you get is a Judas Priest British Steel tour book.
Nice.
With some cool band shots there, and some pictures. Wow. And it's got the British Steel lineup, which is 3/5 of the current lineup, except without KP Downing and Dave Holland. Very cool stuff right there, and it's got the previous albums on it. Very cool stuff right there. And speaking of band pictures, what else is in here is all the band's autographed pictures.
Please.
So yeah, we got Richie Faulkner, Ian Hill, Scott Travis, Glenn Tipton, and of course
The frontman.
Rob Halford, the metal god himself. Wow, that's absolutely splendid. I got an autograph covered the Accept To Me to Die box set. But I mean, this puts that to shame as great as that was. So,
wait, hang on. Can I?
Yep, sure thing.
You know this? I think what this might be is the thing where
exactly what that is. So you get a numbered British steel razor blade. Wow, that's pretty cool. Limited edition 1,805 out of 3,000. Wow.
You're lucky to have something such as this, mate.
Yeah, I mean, this is
Probably your first limited edition thing, apart from your box sets, of course.
well, yes. I mean, most of these kinds of box sets are limited edition. Then you get two big posters. I mean, wow. Well, I mean, I wasn't sure how big these would be when I looked at it. They are absolutely.
You know, the thing about him is his bedroom is literally covered.
Oh yeah, I'm a massive poster guy. That is absolutely huge.
I don't know if you'll have enough space to fit all these.
Well, I'll be able to fit them, but that will limit the amount of space I have for a while. Because man, you've got two big ones. I mean, and then so that's from the Defenders of the Faith tour, I think, and then you got. Oh boy. And then you got the British Steel German tour one. Well, this is the killing machine tour. I didn't know. Because it's got that cover, and of course there's the killing machine album cover. Wow, that is insane. Then you get a big memorabilia book. It's a hardcover book, and I don't know if you can see it from here, but on the cover they've got like inserted on all the album cover, all like Angel of Retribution, Painkiller, Stained Class, Sad Wings, Firepower, Defenders of the Faith, Nostradamus, Rain Down, Turbo, Scene After Scene, Redeemer of Souls, British Steel, Rock Roll, Screaming Vengeance, and Jugulator right there. And there's something on the back there that looks like some kind of old steel mill factory, sugarcane factory thing. Um, it's absolutely beautiful. This has got a whole bunch of posters and memorabilia stuff. Wow, and some band pictures. Wow, that's big. Here you go, yes, and it's got some information about albums. Seems, yep. And then some credits in the back. Oh, I mean, I can't even go through the whole. I'll have to read through this at some point. Oh, and more band pictures. This picture right here of Rob Halford and Richie, that's on the cover of the heavy metal playlist on Spotify. Yeah, this one right here. I mean, that's very cool. And there's Glenn right there, who's unfortunately not performing with the band at the moment, due to his struggle with Parkinson's disease. And I also give my shout out to Richie Faulkner and wish him luck on recovering from heart surgery, which he just did. So my best wishes to him. And now we get into the meat and potatoes of this thing, which is the 42 CDs it contains. So we'll just think these are in chronological order. We got Rock and Roller, debut album, 1974. Sad Wings of Destiny, 76. Lots of classic albums here. Then After Sin, 77. Stained Class, Killing Machine, the Unleashed in the East live album, British Steel, where the Razor Blade is from, Point of Entry, Screaming for Vengeance. There are a few albums in this thing where I'm owning the second copy of this one I own on vinyl as well as Painkiller. But it's great to have them all on CD. And there's Defenders. Of course, then we get Turbo. Priest Live, the double live album. The Gatefold. Ram It Down. I own this on CD too. Painkiller. I will say, as happy as I am to own all these albums, owning owning all of this on CD doesn't excite me quite as much as this. The Jugulator and Demolition, the two albums featuring Tim Ripper Owens. This is a bit of a contrarian pick, but I've always been a pretty big fan of both of these albums, and they've been out of print for a while, and so are very hard to find and very expensive. So I was very, very happy to be able to get these in this huge box set, and everything else is spectacular too. 98 Live Meltdown, it's a live album, and then Live in London, which is from the Demolition era. And that's the last thing they did with Ripper before they got back with Halford for Angel of Retribution, the double album, Nostradamus, Touch of Evil Live, Redeemer of Souls, which also includes the bonus tracks, the Battle Cry Live album, and then Firepower. So that's all the official stuff. Then everything else is the rest, is the live and rare stuff. So we got Live at the Mud Club 79. And they all come in these really nice little cardboard packages, kind of mini LP things. Oh, and it says 50 heavy metal years in the gatefold for Live in Atlanta 82. And then this Live in Houston 86 on the Turbo Tour. Live in New Haven 88, a bunch of double disc sets here. Live in Los Angeles 90. Live in London 81. Live in Denver 80. Live in Irvine 91. And this is a Beyond Live and Rare stuff, which has a bunch of unreleased demos and live tracks. And another very cool gatefold. So, and that's the inside of the box, and that's the back of it. There's not much to see there. So that's a wrap. That is the Judas Priest 50 Heavy Metal Years of Music Reflections box set unboxed. I will say, of all the box sets that I own, this is easily the best of them. I mean, look, all this stuff into the one thing. This is pretty special and pretty spectacular. So, thank you all very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this excites some people to go out and buy this thing if you still can, because it's a limited edition thing. I thank Alex4236 for his assistance, and I'm Charlie from